In our industry standard on the insurance side, we usually have 24 to 48 hours to get to an event, to get to a CAT site. We do a lot of recruiting beforehand whenever we hear that the storms are brewing out there and are starting to get big, and we get more information from the weather people. We'll start gathering our list at that time of adjusters that we'll need, get them to commit to us that they're going to go to work for us. We have a roster of 1,000 people, and over half of them will work for us before they'll work for anybody else because they really like working for the clients that we have. And we're kind of proactive, and we get all that in order way ahead of time. That way, whenever the event happens, they can hit the ground running immediately, that they're able to get into that area. We have established a kind of like a layering system with our adjusters. We have in-office adjusters and we have field adjusters. So whenever we get a big abundance of claims at one time, we have to get them out immediately to the field adjusters. So we will partner them up with an in-office adjuster to help them. That way that the policyholders can be contacted immediately if there's any needs that the policyholder needs. If they need housing, it could be a daily claim, and it might be police reports that they need or some sort of expert inspection. The inside adjuster can do a lot of that administrative work for the field adjuster, where he can really concentrate on doing the inspection, helping the policyholder also, and getting the estimate written in a timely manner.